So this is the vacuum for mattresses and couches and the sort by a brand called Trucozie. You didn't know you needed this until you finally get it. I've actually been watching these for like 6 months and I'm like, finally got one. It's amazing. Check this out. I just went over this couch one time. Look at all that. That's dust. That is deep down pulling up because it's got a lot of suction power. It's just a lot. I had no idea that much was pulling out of my sofa, and I mean, that's just crazy. There is a little bit of hair, but mostly it's dust. It's dust mites if there are any mites. Here's another couch right here. We'll run through this one right now, but first of all, let me just tell you, high suction power, but it doesn't feel like it's going crazy, but it's just doing a lot of work while it does. It doesn't pull every little piece of hair, like dog hair or whatever. You'll still see a couple pieces of dog hair in there. It's not that kind of vacuum. It's going deeper than that. Look at that. I mean, it's just pulling all of that out. Like that was perfectly clean before I started. Crazy, crazy. All right, now let's go over the mattress. This is so cool. I went one way, then I went back the other way. It does have a UV light on it. Look at all that. Kid creep. That's one pass. That's crazy. It has a UV light, so it's actually killing germs microscopically. That long cable, or that long extension cord, is 16.4 feet long. That's just so good. And here's about how slow I went. So just in real time, I know everything was like at 8 times speed, but this is how slow I went. And so it doesn't take a whole long time, but man, talk about peace of mind, especially when you put your face down on these cushions and stuff. It's just crazy how much comes out of it. So I'm showing you this. At the very end, I'll show you an unboxing as well. Let me look at this. This was brand new, clean, and bam. It's like 2 chambers. Pretty cool, but it was a lot of dust in there. And like I said, it's just peace of mind. It's like you lay down your face on this and you just know it's gone deeper. But like you said, also it's like, it feels like it's doing a strong job, but then you're kind of surprised at the end of it whenever it pulls so much out. So anyway, I did the tops, the bottoms, the sides. So cool. So in addition to the UV light, it also has an anionizer, I think it's called, which basically just releases negatively charged ions, which attach to the positively ions in the air or vice versa. Like the dust and the odors and stuff, it binds those ions together and they fall. So then you can vacuum them up later. But basically it just means it doesn't just send a bunch of stuff up in the air. It actually like neutralizes stuff. So anyway, so check this out. Here's the other half of the couch. Look how much this is. That's crazy. That is great. Let me pop this open. Let me show it to you. It's just wild. It's just wild. So check this out. Look at that. It does get a lot of hair, but that's not the purpose for it. I think it's good to remember that. It's not the point is not the hair. The point is the dust and the stuff that you're not getting on the surface. This is coming from underneath that surface, and that's what the couch looks like afterwards. So anyway, all right, so really like it. This is from Trucozie. It's powerful. It's got like tons of features. One other thing I will tell you this is there's no buttons to push. It's on and it's off. All the stuff, the UV, the anionizer, the high power, the recognizing how much dust is in there, the sensors and stuff, it all just comes on and activates what needs to be activated, and what doesn't need to be activated, I guess it just turns that off or whatever. It just all runs systematically parallel together. It's just great. So it's like this is how hard it is: on, off. So there you go. All right, let me unbox it for you just so you can see it. Everything that's included. This unboxing, like I had no idea how would he even connect it whenever I was pulling all this stuff out. So this is just my first glance. Really impressed with it. Right there, you saw the UV light. I like it. No complaints. All right, this was sent to me for a review, and I can honestly and easily give it a really solid review. It just does exactly what I hoped it would do. It pulls so much out. I kind of want to take it over to my parents' house and let them try it next. So anyway, hope this helps. I'll unbox the rest of it. It'll take another 4 or 5 minutes, but man, this is well priced and really functional and absolutely meets a need. So anyway, enjoy. I'll let it roll, but have a great day. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was sent to me by the manufacturer. Like I said, I've been looking at these for like 6 months, but I finally got around to actually ordering it and giving it a shot. Really impressed. Thank you for sending it. Price is right. No complaints. The air freshener tabs included was a real plus as well. So anyway, I like it. Thank you so much, Trucozie. Good product.